Hey, what's up, guy? The market is crazy, guy. The market is crazy. What can I do? I sold 280.
Let's have a look at that. SFGS. Let's look at the STFS first.
Look at this one, guy.
Let's look at the.
I jump in right here. I sell some. I buy right here. 230. I sell about 230, 240. And here my setup. I jump back in right there. Jump back in. Boom.
DFNS just lost V1.
I keep selling right there.
The day it's bleeding its own blood.
When I sell 280, right here. 255 right there. Boom. That's a good setup, right? Here the setup right here. You jump in here, you wrong, get out right here.
Yeah, I guess it's gonna drop, but that's still like prohibitively high, right? STKH, I see all you
Pull back. You jump in here, you get wrong, you out here. Just one setup only, guys.
$77, I had it. Got back in at 240.
Okay, pull back. Let it pull back. Draw the triangle, ball plus. When you break here, you jump back in. Right there. Jump back in, sell all the way up there.
I would say wait for 40 there.
It hoarded and open. Look at that guy. Crazy. A lot of money to make.
Opening in 15 minutes now. Yeah, that's the thing. Like,
it's safe.
STKH, yeah.
And it reward. Same time.
And top is dropping to 990, but it's still very high. STKH, stock from Friday. I love stock. I like saying stock a lot.
Crazy guy. It's a good trade. That's a good trade, guy.
So yeah, that's still up there, man. What
do I got going on?
Yeah.
That's it.
Furry, I was gonna say something. Nothing. I'm just going through these guys holding big short and bastard shorted 6 stocks. Like I was reading some of the average prices, so it does seem like 210 is his level in which he is short. From
This is a good trade right here, and see what happened right now.
What happened to that?
Yeah, Burr. Yeah, but he's no tech. He's not part of 1017. That's for sure.
Look, this daily chart right here. Look at the daily chart,
Nice
guys.
little scalp there, guys. And then I'm not gonna call this a double top, but pretty close.
Maybe right here, 480, guy.
Actually flush city at that point on this name.
The target 480.
Not doing too much, so yeah. What's up, Mike B? I want to get involved to the short side once again, but I want to increase my risk to reward. So if we're fortunate enough to catch another pop here and fail to establish a new high, then
The target 480. Right now 390.
If I'm up to 1,000 NVIDIA shares now, Joey off. My God, you're my people. I've had 3 people come up to me.
You would have had more if you came to Blossom.
I know, man. I hate missing out on that. Well, guess what? Hey.
3 NVIDIA shares. Or sorry. A third of NVIDIA.
Yeah, well, that was a third. But then you wanted to go VIP, which was a whole.
It was such a ripoff.
Yeah, I know.
Other than Humble Trader was there. If you know
Shay.
Humble Traders, not Daniel Shay. Her name is.
Oh yeah.
Humble Trader was there. She had a fantastic segment on AI workflow.
Okay, PCLA.
For herself, a software that runs proprietary, using AI. She's using a lot of Claude, which is awesome. So that was really something that I got out of the VIP. Other than that, dude, the VIP lounge was always maxed out with capacity, so you couldn't go in unless it was your time segment for that class.
Oh, really?
So it was just like, why did I end up?
So there you go. There goes that half an NVIDIA share right there, Sheree. But no, in all seriousness, guys, the Toronto Money Show. I'll actually pull it up right now.
That's pretty good. We had a good time.
I always have I go every year. The Toronto, and I'll tell you guys, I will be there. Just so if you want to come and stay with
Crazy.
then
BIYA moving back up.
25th. Okay.
You're actually
Look at that.
I will be there. I will be September 24th to 25th. You can come and meet your boy. I wonder, Sharif, are you gonna go up there? Are you gonna go? I don't wanna. Are you gonna? Do you have the ability?
You're calling me out.
Yeah.
You're calling me out. I was the one at the conference, my guy, and everybody was asking where you
But
were.
I'm gonna be at this one. Are you gonna be there?
Sir.
All right. So
Is it
yeah.
free?
Yeah, it's free too. Exactly. So it's free. Just make sure you sign up, you register. So yeah, you will see me there if anybody does want to attend. I will be at the Toronto Money Show. It's something that I do go to on an annual basis, and more than willing to meet and look forward to seeing all of you guys. I don't know, Juan, are you still going?
All right, kids, depend. DFAI collapsing.
Maybe it's a 50-50. Sia might be attending as well too, so we'll get the.
I was looking at her, it's pretty cool on like.
You might, so she's 50-50, a coin flip over there, and the ever so infamous, but the dangerous, Assassino might be attending as well too. I'm just Fabian, I'm just naming everybody saying it.
I was like, Assassino.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
So yeah, so guys, no, I'm okay with being, hey man, lone wolf over here. Yeah, I appreciate that. No, but in all seriousness, I will be there, guys. If you want to come check it out, more than happy.
Is Ram coming though?
Ram will not be there.
AMPC 86 wants to know.
Ram will not
Is
be
Squee
there.
back up? Look at that guy. Squee back up.
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah, Ram will not be there.
I think Ram is the most famous non-camera
Yeah,
person in the
absolutely.
history of
Squee back up right there.
Yeah, well, Assassino is very famous
Yeah.
as well.
How high can it go?
No, but Fabian makes an appearance here.
All the way back to 660.
Yeah.
Right? Like, we've got... And he's not
Yeah,
flying the
he's
camera.
not.
Sometimes Assassino, when he's on the ladder, everyone wanted to know if he had a license for the ladder. And
Come back to 660, guy.
we tried to keep
I
that.
can confirm that Neil Roberts will be there. Neil Roberts will be in attendance.
Where is he going? He's like, what?
Neil Roberts will be in attendance September 25th.
He doesn't even know.
26th. So
Little
yeah, it'll be
late.
a lot of fun.
Guys, Neil, I need to tell you this, Neil. I feel like obliged to bring this to your attention, Neil. Oh, now it's no longer the case.
Oh.
But STKH is halted at 390 and it had a top moments ago of 15. So something's afoot. 515, Adam. It's making it go. Ozan, make Fahad great again. Say less.
If you want us to do right now,
Don't got you.
That's
Get it, Feifei. Oh man, Feifei is dope.
Oh wow.
What do you got, Joe?
I almost punched an insane amount of shares that I did not, man. It's a good thing I don't. No, I'm looking at, I got the NASDAQ here. Man, right off the high, this would have been ideal, right? So you flip, you go short right here, but now it'd be a little bit of a chase, in my opinion. Volume is starting to pick up. Oh, yeah, that's how this stuff works sometimes. Something might be stepping into the market. I don't know. It could just be a little bit of a breakdown, but not too bad of a luck here. So, yeah, Neil, I was just volunteering you for the money show in September.
Yeah, Neil
Neil will not be. Neil will not be. Yeah, Neil will not. There we go, Sharif. That's what I'm talking about. Boy, just like that instinct. As long as there's not too deep of a breath. Yeah, see, come on, keep going. No, don't hit the tape. Let's go. Bang. All right, nice little scalp city, as my boy would like to say on that one. Yeah, we're pushing it. Just again, a chip in a chair for us. Nice, lock in those little bit of wins. So good stuff so far on a couple of scalp cities on the NASDAQ there.
Oh, Fabian is the Chilean Superman with the ladder. No one's gonna call him the Chilean Nightmare anymore, man. Chilean Superman sounds better.
Super ladder.
Guys, I have to bring you to your attention here.
Oh man, I'm chasing. I'm chasing this one.
All right, BIYA, guys, big move up here above the volume weighted average price as we wait for STKH to open. Shout out to everybody pointing this one out to me. It was trading a lot below 550, and now
I'm chasing
it's
this guy.
6. I'd like to see this drop into 550 or thereabouts again so we can pick it up off a key technical support level. Let's load up BIYA on the trading.
This one all the way up to, if this one break, can go to 660, guys.
3 pennies, respectable, decent. I like that 550, knowing full well that it just may be too strong to come back into 550, especially with that 565 dip. Let's give this one the old college try. We're going to defend into 550, see how this goes.
Alright.
That's what I'm looking for now. There it goes into 95. We needn't wait long on this one. Give me my money, man. Let's set up a little bit higher here at Joseph Options. Hopefully this doesn't tank on me. So that's what we'll set up for here. We're looking for a big move here above $6. BIYA in focus, but by no means in the clear here as we look to defend.
Wait, need to break right there, $5.
Guys, we're getting a lot of tags here, and again, I don't like neglecting it. It might be a little bit of a strong word, but Bradley over there, our social media moderator, thank you very much, brother, and sorry for the missed questions. Let's see if we can find anything with up 15 man wearing the Palantir hat. You're all avoiding gold, says Manly. I don't think we're avoiding it, but we can most definitely take a gander at gold. There's another one here. What do you think of, okay, referring to gold. Excuse me. Now, let's pull up our actual chart and pull up we're going to pull up the ETF on gold, all right? So GLD, down 1.6% here, and this is a commodity that was just on an absolute monster run, okay? And then it cooled off, and buyers have yet to
Crazy. Cannot break right there. Cannot break it.
All right. Now, I was thinking about buying a little bit of gold myself, but I think we'll have to be a little bit more patient. I thought
Alfred said he's gonna get back into gold as well, man.
is Alfred your buddy, right?
Yeah.
I think. Well, I mean,
That's
hey.
where he got the Tesla money. He sold his dad's gold.
Yeah. Man, that must be. Those are good
Dad's
times.
gold, yeah.
And then he sold the gold,
And then he bought
and then he bought Tesla.
in 19.
for.
And we were talking at the conference. and
Wait,
he
probably
said-
won 589.
I think that's fair. Like you're down 30% at this point, right? Like if you start relatively slow, there is a clear support system right here. I do believe that will be breached. But after that point, are you going to turn around because you're right back to where we were in October of 2025, right? So almost a year, within a couple of months, right? You're just right back to where you were a year ago. So by all means, dabble slow, and then I think there could be some good opportunity. I was thinking about the exact same thing with silver street, but silver and gold not the exact same thing, and there is a lot more weakness. So all of this run here, from December of 25 to the peak where you double up here on silver, has been eliminated over an extended period of time. But I would prefer to get into gold over silver. And yeah, nothing wrong with starting small and then building yourself into a full position. That's for sure.
Certainly not. Certainly not. All right, guys, couple of beak wetters there into the high 90s on BIYA. The spread is opening up, but I'm interested in defending into the $0.50. Here it comes. Let's see if it fills me. Got right into 69.70. Didn't fill me as there was a buyer.
All right, see this one.
On a dip trade, looking to defend that level into the $0.50.
Open on that.
One buyer
Come on,
here
open.
preventing it from dropping any further as we await the reopening here of STKH. The top now showing $7. Halt time 1 o'clock on the dot, 53, meaning earliest open 1:15:53. So continuing to watch that is 1:14:56. So we have another minute there. Got the fill there on BIYA at 69. That puts me in a cost basis of 74. Let's throw some profit takers at key levels to account for that new price. Look, I'm defending into the $0.50 here, so we'll see exactly what we get. Does it hold the $0.50? I perceived it to have a lot of resistance initially at the $0.50, so if it wants to hold up there, that would just be aces. There we go, we get the print in the high 70s, looking for the 80s now. Can we price spike into the mid 80s where we're waiting? We have about 30 seconds to possible resumption here. 53, it is currently 33, we've got 20 seconds here, possibly. On STKH, the top hasn't moved. It is still $7 on the dot, so keep a close eye on that one as BIYA drops again into the 60s here, Joey. Gotta send it to you so I can just concentrate on these two bad ones.
Absolutely, man. So a nice little scalp. As you can see, that we're starting to rebound here in the queue.
More.
Let's see what these other names are up to. We just hit Visa. Okay, that's not quite all-time highs, but you're not far off of it. All right, so this is 375 high, and you're about 1.6% off of the all-time high on Visa. Now UPS, ups, not ups today though. That's
That's
for
a
sure.
friend who were like, when we moved to England.
Crazy.
Look, he was a bright guy. It was just, he had some quirks.
I know,
We have
but-
to have that company. It's called ops. I was like, I've never heard anybody call
I get out this
ops.
one.
Okay.
Right? It's UPS.
Ready for-
Well, you can tell it's not
NTK.
ups today because it was.
I get out this one. Look at it right there. Nice.
and
Go back up, guy. I get up.
So a little bit tougher of a look on UPS, and also
I'm ready for this guy. So
man, yeah, I mean, listen, yeah, 12.5%.
Ready for this?
High, is that the all-time high in Boeing? I think so. Now listen, oh no, it's not. Alright, that's unfortunate. Down 16.9%. Man, I wish this stock could perform significantly better than what it does, but wish in one hand and do something in the other and see what fills first. Speaking of filling first, that is a match to the downside to the tune of 36%. Alright, so that's a little bit tougher of a look there in applied materials and ASML, Sharif. You know, you like ASML, I like
I don't think it's a piece of crap at all.
no, yeah, I like applied materials.
crazy.
Get it, man.
So they're not looking too bad right now, but that's down 20%. Good opportunity. Maybe you want to look at the dip buy. We went over the memory names on multiple occasions, but Robinhood looks like it turned its ship around a little bit here, but still negative 2 1/3% to the south side. Yeah, a little bit tougher of a look. But Applied Digital, shout out to Applied Digital. Now this thing went on a monster run. There was some news of lease. I think it was around $300 million or so a while ago. Lease agreement. 918% from April.
Crazy, I told you. Look at it.
Right? But then unfortunately it does pull back pretty aggressively, 45%. So remember during Tariff Tantrum, we've seen a bunch of names at discounts, 30%, 45%.
Okay,
so
right there. Try to break right there.
Opportunity to get involved with some folks.
Try to break $5.
Extremely heavy. What am I referring to? The sand discs.
Try to break $5.
Alright, Joey,
Yeah.
we're almost 20 after.
See, it down right there at
We
$5.
send up to see at the big desk and start talking about some of the major headlines.
Absolutely. We'll start with, like I mentioned, chips earlier in the segment. So semiconductor stocks have been falling today. Sell-off is clear. You can see that moved in onto the tech sector here on the S&P. You have AMD, IMDC, and View continuing to slide today. WDC, Marvell, as well as Taylor is at down 14% right now, over 14.5 over Tuesday.
See the market crazy. Look at this one, guy.
Like I said,
Look at this one.
losses. TSMC, like I said, also
Come all the way to $8 right now, $5.
South Korea's SK trial.
Crazy, huh? Look, I'm missing out right there.
And it also lost over 13%. US Japanese chip
Yeah, crazy market, crazy, guy.
ASML also has a pretty low after from 18 that's a Chinese company is manufacturing an immersion deep ultraviolet lithography machine, which is a dominant market where ASML is one of the leaders. But Dara, give me your take on this.
Yeah, my take is again, and I talked about it this morning, I find it kind of interesting how you've got lately these sell-offs that are happening here in Asia, and they're impacting the US market, and maybe some days you get both US and Europe impacts those markets. Like I find it, and this is always sort of the case of some countries, but I think especially more lately, you're really seeing this symbiosis, or this interaction here between these different regions of the world that trade. You've got Europe opening and closing around one time. The Asian markets opening and closing around one time. The US markets, right? So I find that whole symbiosis kind of interesting. I want to talk about Seagate, because SPX is reporting after the bell today at 4 p.m. Let's talk a little bit about what's the surgery.
Let's see what's going on this guy.
So 4 p.m. You've got here sales of 3.1.
Let's see what's going on.
Here last quarter they had a massive EPS beat. Gross margin.
Look at this one collapsing.
5% versus 35.2% the prior year quarter. Operating margin.
Can you see that?
34% versus
Collapse.
20% prior year quarter. So this is massive year.
Cannot break 5.
Here Q3 2024. I'm really curious to see what they do in this next quarter, this Q4, because I think this could be pretty interesting one for SCX. They know what they gave us last quarter. We'll have to wait and see. But again, that's coming up after the at 12 p.m.
Yeah, go ahead, Joey.
You know, some news might be coming in. I could be
What?
wrong.
For the market?
Yeah, on the Nasdaq, big volume spikes.
Okay, yeah, something probably coming in there, so we'll definitely, we got Adira, we got Sia, but both locked and loaded, so we'll get that.
Come on, break $5. I jump in, guy. This one break 5. I jump in.
So, first and foremost, I just want to say that, you know.
Then we put our buy stop at 5:01 and see what happens.
You're a one-trick pony, but you're also a monopoly. you are subject.
No, $6, $6,
massive
guys. Sorry,
correction
six.
should somebody
If
else
this one rate 6,
And so
jump
this
in.
has been sort of the acute problem with ASML, that the Chinese could throw their hat into the lithography ring at some point, and now they have it completely replaced. However, it doesn't end the matter whatsoever, right? First and foremost, ASML has been statutorily prohibited from selling most of its DUV machines to China going on almost a year. So any lost revenues that are being projected by the market here have already been lost. So that's my point number one. Point number two, this is, a very, very technical area. I do not expect the Chinese to be leaders in this space right away. Maybe eventually, but not right away. My case in point here is that ASML's, it's not even close to their most advanced machine. Their DUV machine here does about 6,000 wafers per day on one machine. The equivalent machine by the Chinese barely gets to 2,000. So if you are a company A, and you're presented with the choice, right, which one?
Right there. See, I buy right there $6, 601. Look at how
Buy
many.
these because they have to champion the domestic alternative, and that I get, but I don't care.
Look at 601 is cannot break 606.
That's point number two.
Right.
Point number three, DUV is old technology. It's deep ultraviolet lithography. We were talking about
That's a shortcut screen right there.
EUV machines, and that's not even cutting edge. There's more. There's a new type of EUV machine that they haven't released yet. So when you're talking about the latest chips, the 2 nanometer, the 3 nanometer, even a little bit above that, you need EUV. You cannot use DUV. It's fantastic for 7, 8 nanometers and whatever, above that stuff that you put in your dishwasher and your microwave, but it's not necessarily going to cut it for the most cutting edge smartphones, for the most cutting edge chips, for AI data centers. So while the market correction is what it is, and there's nothing I can do about that, I don't think personally the fundamentals drop. Anyway, we have to pause. We have to go to the big guys.
Where is it, okay? I see you guys see 606. Look it up.
They just are proving support here for open AI models, saying that they quote are crucial for AI.
I see it right here. Told you guys. Oh man. Tell you $6, 601. I jump in, buy stuff.
There goes BYA Bubbin. And there it took out 6 Bubbin. So we're gonna put now 650.
Right here, you see buy right there? I sell right there.
Now
Right
here
here.
on BYA, let's not.
That's the way to trade, guy.
Especially
If it need to break $6, 601, you jump in.
Now we're below 6.
And you sell 620. Make 20 cents right there.
If there's a big buyer, 603 now. No decisive move above $6 here. 649.
That's called short squeeze.
How do you see this?
A lot of people short right here. They want to cover 601. You jump in 601 right there. See, I put down. I don't care. See, I wait. Right here. You see right here?
When you hold a monopoly within the space, now there could be a couple.
601. I get in right there. I buy more. 612 and then boom. I sell right there. 611.
Is that bipartisan legislation?
Where is it? Right here.
The Match Act, I believe, is what they're calling it, can block around 15%.
See, I put down 601.
revenue, right?
It jump in 607. I buy right away right there.
The world, I'm sure at some point they'll be able to mitigate that.
Then that's it.
But that's what we're
Take
seeing
profit.
right now. There's a couple of headwinds within.
Right now, it can go to $100. Who cares?
What they're doing, as we've mentioned, it's not big.
You know, that's the way to trade, guys. That's the way to
The
trade.
machine that they're selling these guys is the higher up, the stuff that Texas Instruments is essentially getting involved with. So for me personally, I don't think it's too big of a deal. We know that Wall Street, we tend to overreact in both directions, and that's exactly.
What's it? Share the live
Because why we are.
occur more viewer to share. Come on, keep sharing, man. Sharing for me. Only 10 share. Sign up, my friend. Yeah, you can sign up. You just not the share side. You just learn good habit, guy. You learn how you do it, and then you can control what side you are. Depend on your emotional. If you can put down 10,000 share, you emotional in control. Do it.
We are taking off here with the high of the day.
Just do it. Even 1 share. Just try 1 share. Look at it. See. Just do it. Just try it. Don't say nothing. Just try it. You put the money in, the devil talk to you right away. I trade 10,000 shares all the time. Sometimes I trade 1 share. Who effing care? Just try it. Don't tell me. Everybody have different emotional guy. You practice. At 580 you don't buy. Why you buy at 607? Not make sense, right? But it's working. Nothing makes sense, okay? And then why I sell it at 620? See? Because the short got squeezed. Right now they're already buying. And then the seller start stepping in. This is a live stream, not after it's done, right? See it hold $6, that's good. Right now it's building the ball plus. When it break right here, you can jump back in. But I'm not chasing right now. Right there, see? You jump back in. Don't tell me 1 share, 10 share. Try it. When it break here, you jump back in. You wrong, you get out right here. That's it. That's my setup, guy. Here the setup. All the time. But it not break, you don't get in. And then it collapsing. It's okay. Not the share. The way you trade. Fuck, see. Look at this one, guy. Look at this one. It open. Crazy guy. It opened $6 right there. I sell right here.
Okay.
I sell $3, $2.80. Right now $6.
These layoffs, of course, we never want to champion that. 2,600 jobs, 7% of the global workforce. So
Crazy, huh?
So, never want to be glib about this. But there is some method to madness here. Listen to this. So, unlike your traditional corporate downsizing, this isn't administrative, it's not HR, it's not middle management, it's disproportionately affecting core technology and product.
How high can it go?
The exact group of people who are responsible for building out Visa's code.
This one you can buy 10 share right there. Come on.
Block code made.
But you have the ball to buy or not, that's all.
They push back against the AI narrative. But
Look
you
at this
also
one,
need
guy.
to software.
Why you need 10, why you ask 10 share? Look at here. Look at this one.
So traditional software.
You see right there?
slash
Collapsing.
Visa
You sell right there, you jump in right here, you sell right there. Come on.
Bitcoin infrastructure
Do it.
from any of the cuts. They essentially basically preserving the headcount in the blockchain-based settlement networks at the expense of the traditional.
You Superman, you can handle 100, 200 share, do it.
So this is very interesting.
You do 200 or 300 share, you burn right there. You don't know what's going on right there.
Otherwise, to me, my spidey sense says this is AI related some way, somehow. And number two, Visa is trying to protect their.
This is a crazy one right here, guy.
Bitcoin and blockchain. Should we be sniffing something out here?
Look at that.
Visa's up.
I don't know. Right now you gamble.
Yeah, I think that's-
It's open lower or higher. Got no idea. See, when it hot, it very hot. You gamble right now. So you trade very small size. Okay, you can 10 share right now because you gamble.
Important to know, but guys, this isn't the first. This is, I know, I believe it was Jack Dorsey and Amy Jassy not necessarily saying, hey, it's due to, like AI. Yeah, he's like, hey, yeah, we just over, both of them, both the CEOs stated that they overhired during COVID, but also.
That's crazy, guys. It's crazy.
Is this AI efficiency? You're starting to see a lot of the higher market capitalization companies do this, and but Visa doing the exact same thing. I'm here, Peter. What's going on?
Look right here. If this one breaks 601 again, can go squeeze higher. Okay, this one. Look at that. Crazy. How can you trade like that? Okay? One candle, you don't know what's going on with one candle.
Where are you going to see that improvement within your revenue, right? We know that the employee is one of the most expensive costs
Before I trade very high, big size, I got nervous. And I make wrong decision all the time.
Some of these workforces get cut because that just shows the ability of these companies to use these AI tools and what we've been talking about and kind of pounding the table about for quite some time.
I want to say one other thing.
Yeah.
That they were growing their headcount for 10 straight years. They never cut. In fact, they grew their headcount from 11,000 to 34,100 employees. And
What are you trading?
So I would say
Right there, the symbol right here.
What's in the mind, of course. we'll get
BIYA.
this afternoon.
It's already sold already. I sold already. So
Invite me to, right?
right now I jump back in right here.
Yeah,
I don't
and
think it's ever easy.
I sold about 280. I just buy back at $6.
maybe, you know, from
And don't tell me buy big share, okay? Very small size.
I'm not, like, think about it. 20
And learning, man, you learn all day long.
Like we've seen it, 10,000. I'm pretty sure Amazon did something roughly around 10,000 employees. See it later. Yeah, exactly. Block did a bunch as well too, and then your boy Zuck,
Okay.
a bunch.
Because you gamble, you don't want to put more money on when you gamble.
It's going out of it's going out of style. Almost.
He's constantly making adjustments.
Yeah, man.
Guys, just before we go back, here it is. SPKH halted to the upside. 6:11 on the dot.
Wait,
What else is on the dot? The whole time. 1:30 on the dot, and I really do mean that. Double zeros after that 30 with a top now showing $7.
okay, I get in some small size right here.
Keep your eye out here.
If it break the rewell,
It is up 3.
at power lunch, I jump back in more.
20-minute halt last time. So
You don't trade one side,
just because it did it before doesn't mean it.
you trade small size and then you S on when you right. And when you're wrong, you get out.
Same day as of late yesterday, an estimated $5.5 billion to resolve tens of thousands of lawsuits that are alleging in baby powder and other talcum products have caused electrical dairy.
Yep, it's open. SK, $4. See, look at small side. BY.
The company has also previously settled most of its cases alleging that its talc contained asbestos has caused mesothelioma, which is a rare aggressive cancer that starts in intestinal lining.
Lucky, I'm not jumping in this one yet. I don't have. I got this one. When I buy this guy right here. See, sometimes you trade too many. $6, crazy. I jump in $6 right here, guy. I buy right here. Why I do that? Because my monitor, I thought about this guy right here. Lucky, I did not buy this one. If I buy this one, I down more 10 share already.
50 support, zigging a little above 5, a little bit below 5.
Look, Gamble, I told you.
420, guys.
I sold right here. If you buy here when you open, look, it open $4, $2 difference.
Perimeter. Okay, so we need 10 seconds at this level. 420 limit down, showing 417 on the bid, 20 on the ask. We're not going to move up here unless we get a bid, and so far we're not. 3, 2, 1, we're halted. Okay, so top 395. Okay, there we go, 395. That's what we're talking about there. But I want to mention something, CA, you touched upon this. I just want to, drive it home a little bit more. This kind of compromise was accelerated by a quarter.
Lucky, I got mistake on this one, but it go higher.
Non-existent specific
Okay, see,
evidence.
I have too many monitors, that's the problem.
He retracted his statement, and that kind of left the attorneys with the legal position. It's like, okay, well, the evidence upon which we were relying for our case, the expert who was tendering that has retracted their statement. Either they could have sought a recess from the court to go
Step up. I sell right here again.
The same thing, or they chose in this case.
It double top on 220, 620. See what happened. You see right there? Crazy.
To see, whether this holds up, because I do believe
618. Come on, break it.
the deal.
Yeah, the
break 620, I hope.
as well. More parties-
If not break 620,
more people involved within the case, they could see this
Crazy.
settlement going up to.
Come on, break 620.
Up to $5.5 million. So, I mean,
Crazy. If Rick Sonny go to 660, guy, that's a target.
We have to claim, but yeah, I mean.
Target is
that's
660.
For Johnson & Johnson, and it's unfortunate that all those people have to go through it. That's all I really have to say, but, yeah, pay the fine. And, I don't know, hopefully you don't make the same.
Right there,
mistake.
guy.
It's sad to see that a lot of people don't.
That's the target right there.
So it's gonna be,
The jaw not collapsing, yes. The short not in control. The short not in control.
Yeah,
When you see the short in control, you get out.
I'm sorry? Yeah, it's also like the talc of babies, they have specialized talc of baby talc.
Watch TV channel. This is YouTube, guy. It's YouTube channel, not TV channel.
Adjusted earnings per share coming in at 97 cents, which is expected at 93 cents. Revenue
It's YouTube right here.
$1 billion versus number of $30.6 billion. That was
Right here.
Now, cable
Called Trader TV Live.
$4.43 billion or $1.03 per share, which is up from $3.81.
Right here, guys.
Or 89 cents per share, this is a year earlier. Now, excluding asset impairments, restructuring costs, and as well as other items, the company has earned 97 cents per share. Next sales
Right here.
17% to the number, $13.38 billion. Quote, organic revenue that excludes acquisitions and
Crazy, huh?
as well as currency fluctuations jumped 6% in this quarter. Also, company's global unit case volume has increased 5%.
Come on, break it.
Every one of its 47
Hey, the setup working, huh?
pricing
It's not right here, but it's right here.
more accurate.
You need to wait when it come down. Okay, I get out.
Even in North America, volumes are growth.
I got out right there. It's building the ball plot again.
Yeah, it's what I mentioned here.
It's right the ball plot right here. Resistance right here. You hold. You risky to make this much. No, I'm out. If you risky, you make higher. It's okay, but if you reach 10 share, try to make 10 share, you get out.
More updates here on the strike, nothing massive, just keeping you guys posted here.
Nothing's changed, Joey, anybody can get it.
yeah, of course.
So when you come through the straight, you're gonna get it. All right, let's talk about this strong 8% surge in Asia Pacific unit on case volume. Yet when you look at their actual,
Look, this monster can open.
9%, and they're saying.
See, from $6 right now, $3, guys. Look at it.
Are the affordability
Right there.
initiatives that Coke, I guess, is undertaking in that area of the world. They've dropped prices, that's hurt margins, so sales up, profits down. Never a good combination if you want to be in. Let's also talk about their Forex. Oftentimes, we report to you there's a Forex headwind. You receive money in, Egyptian pounds, Indian rupees, whatever, Danish kroners. That currency drops against the US dollar. You, like a schmuck, take that currency, convert it back to US dollars, and all of a sudden you've lost X.
Crazy. Look at it. Jump like crazy,
This
guys.
is a Forex headwind, so think of the example I just gave, but in the opposite, okay? And now we're talking about EMEA, Europe, the Middle East, and Latin America, and Africa, excuse me.
Look at dumb right there.
A negative 5% growth there. Latin America was okay, North America was good, but EMEA, you had basically a decline of sales of 5%. India led volume expansion in the Asia Pacific region, especially with bottling services. They
Come on, why don't you trade a couple hundred shares and see what happened?
B category called
See how you feel.
ready to drink, and that share grew substantially in India. So good report for them, but mixed geographic success.
Yeah, it's funny. As I was reading through some of the information in the report, it states like, yeah, India faced a Diet Coke shortage due to the.
All right, sell some right there. What the heck? Crazy.
Obviously, like
Sell some right there.
there's more important things. Than
I got in $4.
But anyway, aside from that, guys, you know what was really good for this company was the World Cup. All right, so there's an
That's the
increase
way
in
to trade, guys.
and then a small growth within Coca-Cola as well, with the L as
It's
well.
fun.
And
Real fun.
Beverage was the main driver here. it's really important to note that one thing that you also have to take into consideration.
This one resistant right here. I jump in here, I just sold right there.
A pretty good performance.
It's okay.
Just the ability to adjust
That's the way to
the
trade.
situation of looking for those lower calorie snacks that performed well as well too. So for me personally, listen, it's a dividend play in my opinion. You see the appreciation here today. There was an aluminum issue. Rising prices within aluminum was a major issue. That's going to hinder your revenue, as you brought up not too long ago as well too, Shree. But for me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of these style plays. Look at it for a dividend. It's pretty good for that.
What does it pay, Joe?
It's not bad. It's like $1 something.
$1 something on an $80 name? Let's have a quick look. Let's bring it down. We can bring it down here, Assassino. Let's go to the fundamental explorer. Where does
Come
it
on,
go, Joey?
break it.
Divvy, right there.
Break $5, maybe I jump back in.
Good on $80 name.
$5 guy, $5.
On September 15th, so get ready there.
Let me buy stock, $5 and see.
Yeah, I didn't really have much else to say about this.
No, I mean, like, listen.
I know, I'm not chasing anymore. It's okay.
Comparable.
I'm relaxed right
Let me
now.
ask you something.
For the guidance.
Remember that the original catalyst when Uncle Warren we were talking about, Coke?
$5 jump me back in.
One problem for this company. Do you think it's over? Have we priced it in? And let me throw some more curveballs your way.
Yeah.
What if the GLP-1 usage rate amongst, say the U.S. population continues to increase? You got retatrutide
Yeah.
coming up.
Crazy, okay.
In early 28.
Crazy,
and
crazy.
GLP,
Yeah.
which is supposed to be way better than the double that you have now with no and the single that you have with.
I buy the dip,
Yeah.
And so
sell the dip right there.
usage. You want to cover?
No.
This is the backside, so I don't want.
Continues to hurt.
When it's squeeze right here, 5 can go back to 6.
And you know what's funny? On my way home,
If not break
on
5,
the radio, is this how much this
Don't touch
is
it.
growing? Is that they have the Ozempic rewards card or something like, where you can get a discount on your monthly subscription. Yeah, it's getting out of hand. Now,
I say it right now. Right now it's 460, right?
It has been.
I say break $5 and go back to 6. If not, this one collapsing. Let the market tell you what to do. Don't think, okay? Your brain not that good. Your eye is better than your brain. You have the eye, you have the ear, you have the brain, but the eye can see it. And the brain listen to what you see or not, or just guessing, or smart ass. Trade this one you smart, you don't make money. You trade like professional poker play. When you see the good car, you jumping in. Okay? When you see bad car, you get out. Can you do that? Or you just hold and hop? When the bad car turn on, you hop. You go up again. That's why you need to trade small size to control your emotional. Because when you have small size, you emotional in control. Not because of money, that how to practice. Right now, see the ball plug, break 5, boom, right there, 550 right away. Trade small to control your emotional. If you're good, you can trade big, okay? Nobody's stopping you. I know what I'm doing. 10 share, 1 share. If the car good, I know where to get out. I put out a couple hundred share, 1,000 share. Just the way it is. Nobody stop you. Okay, right now I put out the buy stop right here, 505. Okay, let's see.
Coordinated effort here. Everybody's yelling about Lucid. What the hell is going on with Lucid, Neil? It's up 14%. How come my chart doesn't? Okay, come on, chart. Well, it doesn't like Lucid here for some reason. Smart. Okay, it's not showing me Lucid, but I can see the percentage. It's up 14 3/4.
You see right here? Buy stop right there, 505.
Let's see what we got here with LCID. This is on the NQ. Yes. Here, let's have a look at the 5-minute chart. Oh, Rip City.
Why I do like that? Because that's where they stop.
Has to be news here.
People short the cover right there.
So I haven't seen any
I call short squeeze.
recently, but as we know, right at the open, this was, moving a little bit, it was being discussed, everything was then. As of, I guess, earlier today, later yesterday, it has been announced that a Saudi prince took 5% stake in Lucid. So again, a Saudi prince took a 5% stake in Lucid. That is not brand new information. I've been looking a little bit of social media behind it, nothing crazy. If I find anything else on this Saudi prince's stake in Lucid, which again was disclosed, I think I had to take sense of it.
Why not buy 475?
Let's just read it for everybody. Saudi.
Because your eye can see it, not break $5. You want to go higher, right? You need to break 5.
Is 129.
But right now 575. And your brain, you say go, you want to go higher. But your eye can see it not go higher.
Bless you, Ram Ram.
That's what you're thinking right there. It doesn't work like that.
2.89 right now. Devin Pendleton and Carla Carson of Bloomberg reporting, and they're citing comments from the Prince's spokesperson. A Lucid spokesperson told Bloomberg the company doesn't comment on individual investments, but added, quote, "We are aware and appreciate the independent vote of confidence."
Good by the dip sale right there. Let it run right there. Come on. You just take the money right there. Don't care. All right, let me cancel 505. Let's see. Cancel it.
Rip City.
And let it run.
A little not so reverse city here. Boeing has reported wider than expected loss for the second quarter. The company's long delayed Air Force One program has weighed down on its results. It's taken
Break it.
$280 million loss. The program is over.
Break 505.
That's right.
It's very fun, guy. 505, very fun.
U.S. government has said that it has ramped up investment for that plane. The said it still expects the first delivery to happen around the year 2020.
I think 505 right here.
Bloomberg has said in a note to staff, quote, "While we're making progress on our development programs, you're never done until you're done," quote unquote. So, loss per share is not good.
Yep, you see that guy?
Loss of 30 cents a share.
You jumping 505, look at that. 550 right away, 540. You sell right there.
$24.25 billion that was expected. He has also increased revenue 8% in the second quarter, up to 24.
This is a Weibo platform. Weibo.
Earlier with these across the
It's free.
include increased deliveries of commercial aircraft.
You can see that right there. If I buy stop, I make 30 cents already. Look at that guy. You can see that?
Free cash flow stands at $631 million, which is coming well above the $177 million.
Give me a light or something, guy. That's a good call.
In the second quarter of the year, Boeing has also seen a net loss of $428 million.
Watch the video again. I say when it breaks $5, boom, $6, double top. Okay? Right now, it called double top right there. $6, $6.11, guy. Double top. Watch out, double top right there. You play this one look like poker, guy. When you have good card, you put the money in. Bad card, they take it out. Very easy to say, but when you get in,
I don't know what the hell this company
very hard
is
for you to sell.
$1.5 billion.
I don't know why. That's the way it is. That's a human being, guy. You get in, easy. Get out, very hard. Right now, right here, resistant. This one may be building the ball plus. It try, it's fighting right here. It break. Who knows? But right now, hold it right now. When it open higher, never know. If it open more than $6, that's good. Crazy. You see the line right there? Ball flat, resistant ball flat. Over here, ball flat, go higher.
but they did generate $630 million in free.
This is free lesson, guy. Nobody teaches you like this.
It is because their
And nobody want to learn?
paying them ahead
Who
of
care?
time before they receive the airplane.
It's free. Buy 5 share only. Don't talk about 100 share, buy 10 share. Who asked me that
They
question?
do face operational risks because they have a union problem, specifically in St. Louis, where they make the FA team and the
This is
FA
ninja
team-
trader. Yep. Sniper trader,
You
man.
know,
Sniper.
Ranging fighters, I think, are third gen, and they're not.
You waiting. You got 90% waiting, 10% trading. This is exactly right here. 10% trading. You get here, you buy. Right here, you take profit. You don't know what's going on. Let the market tell you. You break 505, boom. Light trim is working. If it not break 505, it's collapsing. See, you're not in. 505, you get in. 499, you get out. If you're wrong. If you're not wrong, you sell half here, you can sell anytime right now. Sell half to take some profit and then let it run.
2/3 right now, my man. The 770 high. So 17.5% here on LCID, and there it goes again into that 770 area options, man. No, here comes 775. Here we go. So the $0.75 level now in focus as we look at that whole dollar area. Rip City, Rip City. All right.
It's going Shui.
Get it, Joey. All right, man. So Joey's
You gotta keep moving here.
Yes, sir. Well, we can tell now you're in the position.
Yeah, I took a nice little short scalp on the market right there too as a tank. But yeah, this is dangerous, man. Let's see if we can get this pop up into. Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Remember Nate Dogg? What was that song? Oh no.
Oh no.
Remember Lucid.
That's a good trade, guy. 505. Good call.
Oh no, it's really on our shoes. That's like tanking. Okay, sweet.
STK just ripping. Okay, let me take over here for a second. Shout out to Adam, James, frickin' abroad, STH, STKH.
STHK.
$5.81. Halt time. 151.30. Tap. Not much higher, Adam. 582, 579 now, dropping 595. It's all over the map. So I'm just gonna let you cook on that one.
Thank you for watching, guys. Learn together. Try one share. Try one share. When you're good at, you can put 2 different zero behind one share, so 100 share. And 1 or 2 years from now, you're good at this. You put another 2 zero behind. That's all. Same setup. Just put different zero behind it. So don't ask me why put more money. Just try it.
$8 billion versus $21.81 billion that was expected. For the quarter ended June 30, UPS has reported.
You learning and you make $20, $30 same time. Not the money. The knowledge going to make you money. If you have the money right now, no knowledge, I eat you for lunch. Look at it, it's open lower. Crazy. You see, you have to sell. You never know what happened when I hold it. See? Below 5 right now, you get out. Break 5 again, go back up. It's all over. It's gamble. It's gamble, guys. Gamble. In control, guy. In control. It tried to break $6 right there. Right there. 6. Hold it again. Hold it again, guy. Crazy. You guys like it? Good, huh? Hey, somebody get out right here and poop all the way back out.
Trapping membies. Okay, so obviously SDK was bolted up. There we go. Into 580.
All right. If this one breaks $6, You can jump in right there again, okay? And see how high can it go. Let's see a daily chart, guy. Let's look at daily chart. This is a daily chart right here.
AS5BR4S3. Sager. The Proxil. Hubert.
Let the daily chart right there. Okay, daily chart right here, the line right here. What is that? 650, right? That's a daily line right there, guys.
Thanks to KC526, guys. We're open here again on STK8. All right, guys, here we go.
Okay. 650 resistance, 650.
Short side on TQ, like I'm pushing sides. I was telling Sharif, range of elimination on today.
That's the target, guys, 650.
In this game,
645 right there.
half the losses pretty much on the day. So now I give myself significantly more breathing room, especially with this lucid scalp. Now,
Right here.
Didn't put in a new high. We might have got out a little bit early, but I have to scalp out just due to the fact of the size that I had. I couldn't allow it to go against me. But man, oh man, this thing is continuing. It's going nuts right now, Sharif. LCID up 23% and a nice little scalp there.
It's gotta be a short squeeze.
So
We're
like,
assuming,
that's why I had to take it, right? Like I'm like, all right, let's head
You
over
dance
to-
with the market, man. You dancing with the market.
I'll agree, if that was the case.
You dance with the market.
There it is, another squeeze.
Get it going.
Volume is most definitely stepping in here. This is a big time move, and I would say, yeah, just with the buy program that's going on, I had the hunch that we were going to kind of get this move rocking and rolling, and sure enough, there it is, bang, bang, bang. Oh man, that would have been nice. What's Neil doing?
he's like finding out who is this prince, bro? Who's punching in? You got
No, I think he was trying to listen
Are you
to.
listening to the Nate Dogg song?
No, he was trying to listen to you playing the Nate Dogg song.
Oh no.
Yeah, and then.
I won't say that word. The hustle. There we go.
I think dude.
Alright,
Neil
man.
just in the bust up. There, look at Lucid, 26% for the top.
Like it, huh? Thank you, guys. Thank you. What good line.
What?
What?
Huh? Al Walid. Yes, it is. Al Walid.
Send email, or email it. Send it to me.
All right, so let's talk a little UPS here, guys. I mean, look.
Watch out right here, 650. It's open higher, you see the moon, guys. You see the moon right there.
Massive gap between GAAP EPS and adjusted EPS here of 891 million. There's all that stuff. We can also talk with Chief Executive Carol Tomei. She highlighted that Q2 marked the formal completion of UPS's planned Amazon reduction. They called it internally the glide down. They want to bypass Amazon's lower margin kind of business for delivering for them and kind of focus more on what they're calling a high yielding SMB and healthcare logistics. Good look for them there. I mean, capital discipline as well. They expect their CapEx in 2026 to be about $3 billion. They've committed $5.4 billion in dividend payouts. So not a bad look from UPS. I'm not sure what they're up or down on the day, but that's the situation. Lucid coming back into $8 here could be a buy off the whole dollar level. Keep your eye on LCID. It has today a high of $8.29 as it ripped through $8 pretty aggressively and now is up 23% and change. Why is the Prince buying that crap?
We have to wait 10 minutes, guys, because it's harder right now.
Because he's Saudi, brother. I don't know.
They're buying.
Look at that bounce off 8, eh?
I know.
Look, man, I mean, you know what the Saudi public is.
Losing more in $8. Losing.
Money into Lucid, right? It's kind of like their EV baby. So I'm pretty sure they just don't want to turn their back on it here. And you know how it works in the kingdom, man. Like, you know, if you're part of the Saudi royal family, right?
You'd be doing all right. You'd be doing all right. That's Trump change. Yeah, that's Trump change to these guys probably. Anyways, they just the amount of time that we spoke about it, they probably just made that back with themselves.
Look at this. They need to buy some interceptor missiles. Yes, they do.
Look at this one. It hit right there. Double top right there.
And they need newer ones too that don't cost $1 million.
Collapsing.
Per kill. We talked a lot about this, right? We talked about cost per kill and how important.
Okay, it's open. It's collapsing. Told you. Look at it, son. Cannot break right there, right, guy? Right.
No, sir.
Shout out to Adam, James Abroad. One of my stops was 560. filled 493. I don't know.
That's called gamble.
It's been a day today, guys. So I hope everybody had a good
It's a
time.
gamble.
Yeah, I'm in Lucid once again here. See if we can get a little pop back towards the high of the day. This can.
You have to take profit, take it out.
Simplistic as it may be said, but we took a scalp on it already. Let's see if we can get a retest.
See it collapsing, guy. All back down to 350, guy.
Regardless, we needed to come and run into that H.
If this one collapse, the short in control right now.
And a wonderful session.
All the way down to 350.
It's only Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Then the following is Thursday. And and then it is Friday.
Then Friday?
Friday. Oh, it's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, which I will be covering for the Katina Man himself. On Friday. There it goes.
Where you headed, Katina Man?
Where you headed, Katina Man?
Oh, some of this.
Oh, you can't. Don't even
away
ask
from
them.
home? Ottawa.
The nation's capital. Okay, yeah, this is not good. See you later. I hope everyone has a good one here today. Let's not panic and take some off a nice little scalp city on this bad boy once again. Man, a chip and a chair is all your boy needs
The
sometimes.
Lucid tape is going crazy.
It's going absolutely nuts.
Lucid tape is going
And that's
crazy.
why I decided to buy
You need to hold right here. If not, down here.
Let's see what we got going.
That's all the short waiting, guy. The short all waiting right there.
Then Katina Man would be covering for me on Friday.
The short waiting right here, guy.
Going to enjoy it, but yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Here's the money, for sure. So good stuff here. We'll send it up. Need us take any more time from.
You see, buy a step in, they know that. They don't want to short. If this one breaks $6, go all the way to $8, $10.
There goes the high of the day.
Where is it?
I do like that they have a little
Break it.
cleaner on this bottom right hand corner here. You clean glasses with. That's a nice little feature. This is the XL. For me, I'm about 6'1", 215 pounds, and I think it fits perfect on me. If you guys do prefer a little bit of a boxier look, I would go with the regular, but it's a very comfortable shirt. I'm absolutely in love with this thing. Just get back to camp. Still works great. Hope they're the best guy in the job.
You said you were the best guy.
Also, the sales guy.
You should check out Capitus and get a fast business loan and hire some help.
I got that.
Stop waiting, start growing. Get the funding you need at Capitus.com.
I hate that I can't keep this a secret. I canceled all my food delivery subscriptions and upgraded to Cook Unity. And it's totally transformed the way I eat because every meal is crafted by award-winning chefs from across the country. The variety is unlike anything I've ever seen, with over 100 menu options to choose from every week. So
Hi there, guy. Be careful. 450.
whether it's Thai, Japanese, or Italian. So I can have Chef Christy Flores' signature grilled spicy salmon bowl for lunch, and Chef Mark Forgiani's incredible rigatoni with mushroom bolognese for dinner, and all at 50% off if you click now. To meet my health goals, I've been using the app to easily filter through dietary options like vegan, keto, and even high protein. So I get the nutrition I need without ever stepping into a grocery store. And on my busiest days, they offer convenience I can count on. Meals are freshly prepped, delivered right to my door, and ready to heat and eat in minutes. And the best part, it fits my budget. Right now, Cook Unity is offering 50% off your first week. Get this deal today because it won't last long.
But yeah, this piece seems like a pure squeeze play. It's dragging some weird things along with it. Like, to me, if you're getting some weird sympathy plays that don't have a story that are picking up on volume, once they die down, like, they're not the story. ANC is not the story. It literally had a breakout at 7.5% because of
Collapsing.
the second it fails a high. This is a...
Can you see that? Collapse.
I'd pay for locates on
The short target right here, 360.
take some of these followers with it. But crazy moves and Lucid. Get that here money.
Yeah, crazy moves in Lucid today. We got a crazy move in Google. Google's now $9 money as it goes up. So we get back from the gym, we take a little piece off there at 334.50. But we do have to remind everybody about our good sponsor, Oragenics, right now. So they're OGEN on the NYSE American. The company's now activated its phase 2A clinical trial in Australia. With its first site fully operational and patient dosing expected next. They're developing
ONP-002, an intranasal treatment targeting concussion and mild traumatic brain injury, an area where there are currently no FDA-approved therapies, Randy. Nice haircut. Alongside that, Oragenics is strengthening its balance sheet, raising capital, resolving liabilities, and restoring exchange compliance. The focus now shifts to execution with clinical progress underway and additional CNS assets under evaluation. So check out Oragenics. I need to remind everybody that we
See, don't touch it.
Like this is an $8 stock. But it's
Like it, like. Thank you, like. Thank you, guy. Good call, right? I said right there, 360, 350.
September. And this is what the Lucid stock.
Not Mickey Mouse, guy. I know what I'm doing. Because I drive. Because I'm never wrong. Because I listen to the market. I use the eye. I don't use my brain.
A nice rebound of the day.
I don't use my brain, guy.
Everybody, as we get the story there of more money being pumped.
Your brain ruined you, guy. I use my brain too many times. Doesn't work.
Also had, some worries of
And I use my eye only. Because the brain in control. Sometimes your eye can see it, but your brain cannot control it. You see ego. The ego killing you.
here today. I mean, it's a nice movement.
And nobody know about it. Put the money in. The ego talk to you right away.
And then my bet is, of course, because I don't think
You're the one wrong, right? When you're wrong, you just look at, the chest. Somebody talking, you look online, you're looking for all kind of reason to hold. You say, oh, this company is good. It must be go higher. I buy more right now. You see, that's your brain. But when you look at the eye, you see it go down.
You gotta be careful with any pump and dump, almost to the exact same.
That's the secret, guy, and nobody wants to listen.
I would, I mean.
Try it. Try once here and see you listen to your eye or not. Your eye can see it, but you don't listen. You see, you try to curl back up. It's called the bear flash. I draw the bear flash for you right now, guy. Because the short in control. The short right cover a little bit right there, and the bear flash right there. It's called the bear flash. It go up a little bit and then pew. Yep, go up, go higher, go down more.
Apple's not doing the same thing Google's doing, right? So we're happy with that one. It's more like this time, man. You get
Keep go up,
so that should be.
and then down again, the short again, right there. Go up here, resistance right there. Pew.
Which is in question. That's the.
If you know how to read the chart, that's the way it is, guy. That's the way it is. Let it go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right there.
It's still 29, but that still puts it in question. It is going to, depending on how you want to look at it. Like I can.
Let it go. PSQH moving.
If you're trying to be bullish about it, you don't want the risk to go up. So we'll call it moving in the right direction here.
PH.
Still going to be in question with there being a 3 in 10 chance. At least that's what the market predicts. I know our viewers were pretty skeptical. I think I'm pretty skeptical. I think they leave it the same. Other levers that they can pull, other ways to type monitoring policy or raise rates and performance for that. Like the war's going to end just so he could immediately raise rates. Even though that, if you look at his history, that kind of could be a modus operandi. I think it was at least try to be a little patient about it. So
Go ahead.
we're gonna go to a dare.
Go.
As Lucy's pulling back.
I mean, we called this Lucid at 820, man, and now.
I said I'm shorting immediately A and C, the second, because it shouldn't have been going up in the first place. It doesn't make any sense. That being said, we're gonna go back up to zero.
Be aware, guys, President Trump could be speaking at Senator Lindsey Graham's funeral at any moment. That was supposed to start at 2. The funeral is still ongoing, so if I hear anything from Trump, I'll let you know. Again, we'd like to think that this would not be a market moving set of
What the
comments,
fuck,
but
Robin,
this
man?
could be, so I will keep you guys posted. I also want to talk here about this announcement from the Department of Transportation. Keep an eye on some of these space talks. I just checked SPX, CX, and RKLB are moving on this. You can also look at the likes of ASTS, LUNR. Basically, according to the Department of Transportation, the FAA, the Federal Aviation Authority Administration in the U.S., launched a new initiative to streamline.
Oh man, look at this guy. Look at this one guy. Look at it.
Faster and easier for some of these companies to secure.
See, we busy, look something else, and then look at it, it's crazy. Right there, the top right there, 660. Wait, you're missing out right there, guy.
All right, well, there it is. I mean, it's only two guys that I'm not sure they cost 20 cents. I mean, we should realize this. And
Look at this one. What do I say, guy? Look at this thing. What do I say right there? Look at that guy. You see that? You can see that? I am playing for one now, but I think you are better.
I'd say over under 820. I think that's about right. Like if we wind up stopping there.
What does that mean, paying?
Something like that. I don't really want to give it.
NLI, TSA, structure with technical analysis. You see right there? When it curve back up, I say it's bare flat. Look at it. Is that working, guy?
Now we'll see about taking
Yeah?
a little bit more shares. If depending on how it
Look at that guy.
backwards to the upside, ideally
I think I'd upload this video again, and then you guys can watch right there.
will give us enough
Do you pay for a Discord? No, it's free. Everything free. I don't charge nothing. I don't advise nothing. I just say I have fun. That's all. I don't tell you to buy. I don't tell you to sell. Nothing. Nothing. Just relax. I'm learning myself.
I'm just waiting for it to either process 200.
You want donation? Good. I take donation.
Right? I mean, we rolled this as far and we basically really happy.
But this one is asking good call. When it go up,
326, and all of a sudden
your brain say go up right now. That's what your brain. Your eye can see it go up. But when you have the knowledge, you say nope. This is short got cover and then short again right there at 450. Look at that guy. See? So here is the knowledge. I can use my brain. I can use my eye. But the possibility is coming down. And then what I call it before it happened. If I call right now, you say Monday night football. And that's the problem, guys. That's why I do live stream. I don't say this and that after it's happened.
Beam is already gone, so that wasn't an opportunity. I was mentioning.
Because I am an engineer background. Anytime you go to exam the test, and you do it wrong, and then when you come out of the class, and all your friends say do this, do that, you say, oh, very clear, easy. But when you're in the test, you don't see shit.
That last leg down under 120, it hasn't broken. Like the first bounce was in the 119, and it never actually broke that. So you really still are in the bottom end of the range. Yeah, the first time that it's putting in a higher high, but
That's a good call, guy. What I say, 350, and look all the way down.
it's the structure. of
That's a
the
good
bounce,
call.
as crazy as
This is my line right there. I draw all the line, okay?
space is. I know it's wild.
Imagine I have no line. The line is my knowledge.
Needs to maintain.
Look here, no line, guy. Look,
It's actually it's starting to
What-
move up. Here's the other
what you see?
kind of moving up.
You see nothing.
Stop that.
You don't know where it's going.
Eyes. I think
That's why you use technical analyze, guy. Okay?
trading.
Look at this one.
Double check to make sure that I didn't pay for the low case. I could have checked the case, but we did.
I just jump in right here. Look,
Even if it gets the flop, like,
it pull back, I'm late. I jump in. Maybe I sell some right now.
obviously the market is trying to recover from what was pretty nasty early morning, but it's starting to get it up again.
Let's see. One more push, I'm out.
Back in. I'll try to buy shorts. Cash.
Okay, out right here, half.
Down 6 points.
You just make money. $5, $10 here, $5, $10 there.
Right now.
1 cent over here, 1 cent over there. But you build up your asking knowledge. That's important. Don't ask me 10 share, 20 share. Only 1 share. If you play piano, okay? You learn how to play piano. And somebody pay you $1 to play piano. Take it. Because you practice. When you play, you practice piano. And people pay for you. Come on. Alright? Don't be greedy.
We tried SpaceX shorting go ahead. So
See, I take it all right there.
is SpaceX. This part was fine.
You go higher, so
And then we thought a pretty good spot.
it's 660 double top right here. 660 double top. Be careful right there.
It's not good because we got it at 116.50 there. It does go as high as 117.50. I do think that's a decent short aspect right there. Okay, man. We're gonna have to wait to see now what winds up happening with Lucid. There's the break higher, so you know, we took 10 cents. We're out of the money now, 10 cents. But it's starting to go, so we have to be patient with it.
Look at here, 660. That's trying short right away. That's short right now, okay? But when buyer step in, break 660, you go higher. If not, they're collapsing. That's the way the chart look. Tell me.
The volume started to pick up, and you know, downside from there potentially. So
This is 1 minute chart.
We'll wait. We can take some out right now, and basically be still up on the stock, but that's we're not going to do that. Just trying to get a little more short at 20. After that,
Can you short in Ninja Trader?
right now.
Yeah, if you have more than 2,000 on Weibo, you can short it, but I don't short.
Looked like it was trying to break back out.
I don't want to touch short. I don't want it. Because you can short $1, but this one go to 20 bucks, you dead.
Like I said, the maximum we were looking for.
A lot of people learn from me and they try to short. Short easy to make money, but you burn out your account. For example, this one this morning. Look at this one.
Cover down there.
Okay?
That's still half of this position.
It happened. This one, a lot of people burn their account this couple days. Look at this one.
There, to the downside is Boeing.
This 2 days ago,
I mean, Boeing has been existing.
right here. I traded yesterday. This one.
Weird transition to 5%
Okay.
up for Boeing.
$5 trading.
You gotta give
Okay, this 30-minute chart. Look at here. Boom, boom,
How
boom.
many companies in this
You short?
position are gonna be able to pull
You
off
short,
wider
and then
losses
all the way to 40 bucks.
and then do this.
You burn your account.
That's where things are trying to.
Okay, if you long,
Like,
you put 2,000 only. You out 2,000. That's all. If you use my margin account, you out more. But short, unlimited.
of a backlog, and I
You can short $5, you make $2, but it can go to 40 bucks. It happened this day, this couple of days. It happened all the time, guys. Look at this one, the one I trade right now. Look at yesterday.
that's who you're comping it to.
See?
You can't-
$2.
Whatever you want about
Go up to
but hey, they got one
$6 today. See?
More or less.
It keep go high right now, guys. It's short squeeze right now. This couple of days, a lot of short got squeezed.
Really, it's like Coke and Pepsi here.
Okay, a lot happens. Got short squeeze. It's fun. It's so fun, guys. Come on, break it. Break 660.
One more day, avoid death cross. How long it takes to do that? No, anything that
You see? It go all the way and start go down. Crazy, guys. Technical working. I learn how to read technical.
Sure. Volcan.
Learn, guys. Learn.
Big super chat there. Hey guys, will we see a big dump on SK Hynix tonight and continue pressure? There's
Okay, look at this one.
pressure on Andrew Sandus and
This one's
well, I don't know the time.
It's so fun.
It's
this one right here. See?
exact amount. Be patient. I couldn't tell you what it is tonight. For sure. We'll be trading
You see right here? I see the bear flats. Let me draw again so people can see.
very, very good. That's the thing you have to think. This is not.
Bear flat right there. Hold on the V well. I say go down here. Look at it. Boom.
Like this isn't a single thing.
What's right here? 350.
Just like Micron. And we've seen them below out earnings.
And then curve back up. You get out right now because you hold and hop, guys. You hold and hop. That's the problem.
It would not surprise me if you see
Don't hold and hop.
initial bounce on the peak. Again, we're not going to get to trade it until
Crazy, guy.
the overnight action. That's the wild thing. First report, not forever. The company's been around a while.
Crazy, huh?
It's already been given. This is
All right. Thank you for watching. I have to eat right now. It's about 11:22 Los Angeles. Bye bye, you guys. Very fun. I need to relax. Don't be greedy. Don't work so hard. Relax right now. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Good call right here. More flat. Resistant. Why I say that? Let me tell you guys one thing. Remember right here?
We talked about the TQ's early short today as well. Here comes Lucid, so now we have under half left. We got a great cover down there. We got 81.
See, when you draw a line, you know what's going on. At this time, it go higher, right? I say be careful right here. Support, buy a step in, buy a step in. Under here, the short in control. Look here. They go down, pull back, resistance, bear flat, boom. Right now, this one resistance. If this one hold on the V well, 1 hour from now, it break this one, you jump back in. This one can go to $20, $10. Not 20, I don't know. I just say that. Not make sense. If this one break, you will see the moon. Because a last short on this one right now. When it break right here after hour or power run, this one break right here, you jump back in, you get in. Crazy, guys. You will see it. Listen to me. This one, if this one break right here, 660, after hour, can go to unlimited. I don't know how high can it go, but a lot of short, I call no short, no squeeze. Who buy at $7? Who buy at $8? Only people got short, that's all. Look at here, this morning. Look at this here. This morning got short squeeze already. I sell right here 2 something. Look. It happened all day long, guys. The palm you don't buy when it go higher. You buy when it lower. That's what you're thinking. When it go low, your eye can see it go lower, but your brain say it's cheaper than before because it's cheap. This one go to $1. I don't touch it, okay? Because it's cheap. You think. That's called don't think. Listen. Look your eye. Using your eye and listen to it. Not listen to your ego. That's all. Very hard to do it. Trade 1 share only. See how wrong you are. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. Cheers. Done. Good.